Hello, good afternoon. My name is Vanessa Caroline Martin, describing my neighborhood, my neighbors, my dog, and my family. I currently live in Montport, in the Fashion district located east of the city. It is a very quiet neighborhood. Its streets are narrow. It has a park and a soccer field where the children meet in the afternoon to play. My neighbors are simple and helpful, but also very close to the market of the supermarket Olímpica and the headquarters of the University of Cartagena, also the transport terminal. Montport is a very beautiful colonial city. At the moment, I am working in the secondary school of the municipality of Ingenio del Carmen, in which I work as a teacher of English, Spanish, and reading comprehension in grades 6, 7, 8, and 9. My students are disorganized, especially the 6th grade students who still have habits of the primary. But at the time of developing the activities, they work with enthusiasm and actively participate in the classes. I love my work. I like to share my knowledge, and every day I learn from every joy they make. My family is small. I am older of 2 brothers. My mother is called Milva, and my brothers Keiner and Michelle. My brother is assistant technician, and my sister is still in high school. We are a unique family. We enjoy every moment we share. We like to enjoy the good things that life brings us. We are simple people. In each vacation we go to relax. We usually leave home for a week. We usually go to the beach in Santa Marta. But by the end of the year, we meet with all maternal, with family. We had a great time chatting with our uncles, aunts, and cousins, which are very funny.